how to peel the skin of almonds? Yes, today's hack is going to be very simple. I'm going to show you all a very simple and easy trick to peel almond skin. These almonds, I have just removed them from the fridge, and as you can see, the skin is very hard. What I'll do is I'll take these almonds in a bowl and I'll add hot water to this. You'll have to leave this for 5 to 10 minutes till the skin softens up. It's already time up, and as you can see, the skin looks wrinkled. You just need to press on it and the skin comes off very easily. I'll show you one more. Just press it, pinch it, and the almond comes out of the skin. Easy way, right? I'm sure this hack is known to many as well as unknown to a few. So in case if you have found this hack useful, please do leave in your comment. For those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel or have been here before but have forgotten to click on the subscribe button, it's my sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it so that you get updates each and every time I post a new hacks video. That's all on today's episode. If y'all have any requests or suggestions, please do send us an email. And I'll see you next time with another new hack on how hack.